What's going on YouTube? This is John with Long Haul Lifesavers, and today we have a special review for you. What I'm sitting on is a DeWalt Workbench. Now this isn't just to work on the job site. You can actually use this for your RV because it's very compact. We're going to show you what we mean. When I say compact, you can see what I mean. It folds down really slim. So it folds down to a width of 4 inches. The tabletop is 24 inches by 33 inches. As you can see, the legs fold into the tabletop. This thing can hold 1,000 pounds. Now I want to show you how easy it is to unfold it and then to fold it back up. To unfold the table, all you have to do is push the yellow button that says push and then pull this handle up until it clicks. And then to fold it back in, push the button in again and then push the handle down. I want to tell you why I recommend this table over one you would get from Walmart or Sam's Club, one of the bifold tables, the standard folding table. The reason I like this is, as you know, we do a lot of RV remodels, and I hate working off the tailgate of my truck because you can't clamp anything to it, so you're trying to hold it while you're cutting pieces, and it's just not safe. The benefit of this is it has holes in these cross sections in it where you can put clamps in to clamp down whatever piece of wood you're working on or whatever project you're working on, really. So this table is really made to take to a job site for a construction worker to have a workbench to work on in the field. But this also works at your campsite. So not only do you have a working surface, but if you have extra people come over, you can put a tablecloth over this and have 4 extra seats. Or if you need a table outside when you're barbecuing, whip this bad boy out, unfold it, and now you have a complete working surface. And like I said, this thing holds 1,000 pounds, so this can handle a lot of weight. The other thing I like about this over the ones from Walmart, the ones at Walmart are molded and they have a core inside that's just hollow. There's nothing that's hollow inside this, so it's not going to hold any water. So another good feature of this as opposed to the Walmart tables is the ones from Walmart have cheap steel legs. These are all aluminum, so it's not going to rust. You can leave this out in the elements and it will not break down. So there is a drawback to this, and it's the price. We fortunately got this one on sale and it was $60, but normal price they're about $100. So that's a big price difference when you're looking at the standard ones from Walmart. But if you're willing to spend the money, I highly recommend this. So if you end up getting this table, you got to think outside the box. We use this a lot, not just for outside barbecuing or having people sit indoors when we need extra space, but this is also our hobby table. I pull out my reloading press and I bolt this down to it. Morgan uses this for her arts and crafts. She uses it for her sewing machine. If we're cooking a big meal, we use this as a second prep center. In our opinion, this is one of the most versatile tables on the market, hands down. If you're interested in this product, we're gonna drop a link in the description below so you can pick one of these up. That's gonna be it for today's episode. Hope you got some good content out of this. Until next time, stay safe. See you guys. So in our opinion, this is one of the most versatile In our opinion, this is one of the most versatile tables. Is it versatile?
Versatile. Everybody says it different.
Okay.